Hey there, my name is Jubin Shah, and in this video I'll be talking about the DevOps project pipeline, which we delivered in 3 milestones, which included a build component, a test and analysis component, and a deployment component with monitoring and analysis. In milestone 1, that is configuration management and build, we provisioned a configuration server with Ansible installed and a Jenkins server on virtual machine instances. We configured the Jenkins server automatically using Ansible to install the needed dependencies such as Node.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Jenkins Job Builder from OpenStack, and Java to set up build jobs for two applications, that is a Node.js web application called checkbox.io and an enterprise Java system called iTrust. We also used a combination of Mocha PM2 to create test scripts that start and stop the checkbox.io service on the server. We also created Git hooks to trigger a build when a push is made to the repository. In milestone 2, we extended our work done in milestone 1, demonstrated techniques related to fuzzing, test case prioritization, and static analysis to improve the quality of checkbox.io and iTrust. In this, we developed a tool that automatically commits random changes to source code, which will trigger a build and run of the test suite on Jenkins. We created corresponding Jenkins job, which enabled us to run the test suite against the branch and handle rollbacks. Using our automated commit fuzzer, we generated 100 random commits and test runs, and we generated a report that displays the test cases in sorted order based on the time to execute and the number of failed tests. For the iTrust job, we extended the build job to support running an existing static analysis tool on the source code such as Java code coverage, process its results, and report its finding and fail the minimum build testing criteria and analysis criteria. We also installed a findbugs plugin to support the same. For checkbox.io, we also created custom metrics to calculate long methods, cyclomatic complexity, calculate the number of maximum if conditions, maximum number of parameters, and fail the build criteria when necessary. In milestone 3, we extended our work done in milestone 2, demonstrated techniques related to deployment and monitoring of checkbox.io and iTrust. We used Ansible for spawning AWS instances, Jenkins for deployment into the production environment, Kubernetes for making infrastructure redundant and tolerant to node failures, and finally Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring and analysis. In the deployment part of the milestone, we created a microservice from the checkbox.io code and deployed it in Docker. Then we used Kubernetes and Amazon Web Services to deploy these containers onto multiple nodes to form a cluster. For monitoring and analysis part of the milestone, we used Prometheus along with Grafana to create a set of dashboards that would help us monitor CPU usage to memory usage to the disk usage and so on. And we would also get information for different nodes, whether or not they are healthy. And finally, we would also get deployment related information. So that's it for this video, and that is the end for the CSC519 project. I hope you had fun because we sure as hell did. Thank you.